Ecosystems and biodiversity in Panama. Panama is home to many different ecosystems and has an amazing amount of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to all the different types of living things, plants, animals, etc. in a certain area. In Panama, a few hectares may be home to more species of plants, fungi, animals, and microorganisms than all the United States and Canada combined. Why do you think Panama has so much biodiversity? Well, over 3 million years ago, Panama rose up through volcanic activity and created a bridge between North America and South America. This allowed land and marine life to migrate from north to south and south to north. For this reason, many people call Panama the biological corridor. In Panama City, there is a whole museum dedicated to the biodiversity in Panama called Biomuseum. A couple common ecosystems in Panama are tropical islands, tropical dry forest, and tropical mountain forest. There is plenty of wildlife, both on land and in the water. Let's start with the islands. Two of my favorite islands region in Panama are San Blas and Bocas del Toro. These are both found on the Caribbean side of the country and have beautiful clear water, white sand, palm trees, and a lot of marine life. The rural Los Santos region of Panama, Tonosí, is mostly made of tropical dry forest. It is called this because the ecosystem has huge changes between the wet and the dry season. In the wet season, around May to December, it rains almost every day. The landscape is lush and green. In the dry season, around December to April, there can be droughts to the land turns from green to brown, like most places in Panama. There is a lot of wildlife. Whenever we go to Tonosí, I always see monkeys playing in the trees and have seen a lot of snakes, lizards, and spiders there too. One of my favorite cities in Panama is called Boquete. It is in a tropical mountain forest. While there are still wet and dry seasons, the land does not dry up as much as in the tropical dry forest. Boquete and other tropical mountain forests in Panama are amazing for hiking, seeing waterfalls, bird watching, and swimming in rivers. Volcan Barú, the highest point in Panama, is found in the region. Another great thing about the tropical mountain forests of this region is the coffee growth. The volcanic soil and proper amount of rainfall help produce some of the best coffee in the world.